Hook, imagine this. A train racing at 600 kilometers per hour suddenly derails. Fast-moving train animation, then sudden glitch effect. No crash shown. Middle animated graphics show physics impact. At such extreme speeds, the force of impact multiplies several times over. That's why engineers face one of the toughest challenges in modern transport safety. Visual arrows showing speed versus impact, force scaling up, ending cut to modern rail systems, futuristic AI dashboard, braking system animation. But here's the good news. Scientists and engineers are building powerful safety systems, AI-based controls, fast braking and smart track monitoring to keep passengers safe even at record-breaking speeds. Closing text on screen? That's why safety technology isn't optional. It's essential. Imagine this. You're on a train that's racing along the tracks at 600 kilometers per hour. Suddenly the train derails. Now imagine that the train is going even faster. 1,200 kilometers per hour. That's more than double the speed of an F1 car. And now it's clear that the outcome of such a derailment would be catastrophic. How do we keep passengers safe when they're traveling at these extreme speeds? Hi, I'm here to explain. First, we need to grab your attention and make you feel the urgency of the situation. But we don't want to show you the train derailing and crashing, because that would be too scary. Instead, we'll use a simple graphic to show you just how dangerous these high-speed trains are. When a train is traveling at 600 kilometers per hour, the impact force of a derailment would be multiplied by a factor of 6. At 1,200 kilometers per hour, the impact force would be multiplied by over 25. That's enough to crush a train car like a soda can. And that's not even taking into account the human body, which is far less robust than a train car. So how do we keep people safe when they re-hurtling through the countryside at more than twice the speed of sound? Well, there are three main things. First, we have AI controls that monitor the train's environment and make sure that it stays on track. If the train starts to derail, then ultra-fast braking systems will kick in to bring the train to a stop as quickly as possible. And finally, we have track monitoring technology that can detect if the train has veered off course or if there is any damage to the tracks. All of these systems work together to ensure that the train stays on track and that the passengers are safe. But it's still a huge challenge to maintain safety at these extreme speeds. So it's important that we continue to invest in research and development to improve these systems and make them even more reliable. At 600 kilometers per hour, a train is already incredibly fast. But the good news is that with the right technology, we can make it safer. This is why safety technology is essential. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.